It's Kimar. I go by Kilo. Introducing myself for new subscribers, anybody that may not know me. This is my first video like this. I got my little sister with me. We're in Aberdeen, our hometown. It's not too much to look at here, but we want to try to get some content for you guys, get you a little video for today. I got a lot planned coming up in the next few weeks. Got some things lined up, so like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot of the other things that I have to come. And now I would like to introduce y'all to my beautiful sister.
Hey!
This is my sister, Trinity Sims. Her Instagram will be right here. You can go ahead and tell them what your Instagram is.
My Instagram is Trinity Morel, TRINITEE Morel. But he don't have it in the video, so.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna keep it short because we only got so much time. You know, daylight saving time, it gets dark real early. I don't have two cameras to have somebody record me, you know, from the some little behind the scenes. I got a drone, but sadly I didn't have the SD card for it. So we're gonna have to try to make it work like this. And I'm gonna try to just take pictures as I shoot. But this is the first shot. It may look familiar from the intro or whatever, but I'm liking this green tree transitioning into this, the orange leaves, you know, of autumn and fall. So I'm liking that look right now. From side to side. This right here, this was the first location, and we're still in the same general area. I'm coming over here to this tree. As you can see how beautiful this tree looks, although it's, I wouldn't say dying, but the leaves are dying, so thank goodness for that. It's really just one. It's just in the same general area. We're just trying to walk around. Like I said, it's not too much here in our city, so we're just trying to make something work with what we got. So yeah, I'm more so looking for like the nature type of looks. So that's why I'm looking for the colors, the vibrant colors of the trees. Anybody knows me, they know I love the color green. So you'll always see that in my work. Alright, now I'm loving how the sun hitting this yellow house building, whatever we want to call it. The police station is like right there. But yeah, I'm liking how the sun's hitting right there. We got this tree as well, and the houses are pretty nice over here, so it's good. finished. We started here. I got another video as we was walking. The freaking focus was going so crazy, so it wouldn't focus on me. But yeah, we started here. Basically made kind of like a loop. I'm glad to be back shooting. And like I said, shooting with my sister especially. I've been more focused on the video aspect of my whole channel versus like photography. So this is like my first time really just getting back to shooting and stuff like that. I know a lot of people have reached out to me over the years about trying to get in shoots with me. And like I said, due to like personal issues, I wasn't able to get to these people. But yeah, I'm back on the market. Y'all looking for photos, holler at me. Music videos, anything. I could do it all. So that's it for the video. I hope y'all guys enjoy. I also want to add, I'm sorry for any like